Imagine your ideal customers discovering you without spending a dime on ads. Picture a world where your brand grows organically through authentic, relevant content that builds trust and connects deeply with your audience. Today, we embark on a step-by-step journey into content marketing, a powerful tool for beginners, small business owners, and marketing novices alike. Content marketing is more than just a tactic. It is a philosophy of sharing valuable knowledge. By offering insights and solving problems, you engage your audience and build lasting trust. This approach not only saves money, costing 62% less than traditional methods, but also generates 3 times as many leads. It's a strategy that puts your audience first and nurtures genuine relationships over time. Let's begin with step 1, know your audience. Start by defining who you want to reach. Consider their challenges, needs, and aspirations. Ask yourself what problems are keeping them up at night and what solutions they seek. When you understand their pain points, your content can genuinely resonate, laying the foundation for a loyal following. Step 2 calls for planning your content. A smart plan is your roadmap to consistency. Focus on simple yet impactful formats like how-to guides, Q&A sessions, or step-by-step tool walkthroughs. By mapping out 1 to 2 pieces each week, you ensure that you maintain a steady flow of valuable insights without overwhelming your audience or your schedule. Step 3 involves distribution and repurposing. Content creation is just one part of the puzzle. The real magic lies in sharing your message broadly. Post your content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, blogs, and LinkedIn to maximize reach. Break down one detailed video into short clips, engaging quotes, or informative infographics. This not only reinforces your message, but also reaches varied segments of your audience. Embrace the assistance of an AI-powered tool that streamlines this process, ensuring every content piece serves its best purpose. Step 4 focuses on measuring your impact. Review performance metrics, such as views, watch time, and comments. These insights allow you to double down on successful strategies and fine-tune areas that need improvement. Constant evaluation drives continuous growth and ensures that your content remains effective and engaging. Be cautious of common pitfalls. Avoid posting random content, skipping clear calls to action, neglecting SEO, or ignoring analytics. Falling into these traps can undermine your efforts and erode the trust you work so hard to build. Stay strategic, intentional, and focused on what truly matters. To recap, know your audience, plan thoughtfully, repurpose strategically, and measure your success. This clear roadmap unlocks the true power of content marketing, helping you build an organic, trustworthy brand. Subscribe for more content hacks and look out for your next steps. If you want to skip the hassle, our AI-powered Media Surge has you covered. Check the description.